me, mateys! Welcome back to another episode of Master Designs. Today we're gonna draw a boss type animation. We're gonna draw a boss. That's right, folks. You've been waiting a long time for this. I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw Top the Destroyer. That's right, folks. We're gonna be drawing Top's ultimate form. You see, Lord Belmod, he's been training Top for this exact moment. He's been training him to become the next destroyer in training. And one of these days, Top, he'll be using his power of a destroyer god for justice. And, well, he'll be using that kind of power to stop evil everywhere. And, you see, he first uses his form against Vegeta in his Super Saiyan Royal Blue form. But, we don't know when we're gonna see Top again in this form. But, we'll have to wait and see. Because, I gotta admit, Top the Destroyer, he's one of the toughest fighters we've ever seen. Plus, he's even capable of using the move Hakai. Only a technique that destroyers are only able to use. Not only that, he's capable of using that move Hakai as an armor and making himself invincible. Pretty awesome, don't you think? Well, it's not exactly Zamasu invincible, more like Destroyer God invincible. Besides, it's not like he regenerates like Zamasu can. But I heard that in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Top did manage to meet him in person. So anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw this symbol on his chest. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his six-pack here. Here's his six-pack. Okay, we're almost there. You know, guys, no matter how many times Top manages to stay in that form, it'll never compete against Jiren. You see, Jiren has managed to withstand the power of Lord Belmod's strength, but we believe that Top and Jiren are the strongest in the 11th universe. But you get the idea. Anyways, here's his ripped shirt here. And then here are his pants. Alexa, start the song over. Okay, I know he has knuckles. I wonder if a Saiyan can withstand the power of a destroyer. What will that be called? Super Saiyan Destroyer God? Or something? Okay, so I don't have enough room to draw the knuckles, but, there we go. And, okay. The next thing you gotta draw is that when drawing Top the Destroyer, he has like a fiery aura around his body where he, like much gods, he uses that form when he's powering up. And there we go. Make sure to draw the fiery aura around his body. This character, he's definitely worth drawing. And done. That is how you draw Top the Destroyer. Pretty awesome, don't you think? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to make sure to smash that like button and destroy that subscribe switch. I mean, make sure you use your destroyer powers to smash that like button to pieces. And, well, otherwise Top might get you. Just kidding, he's not a bad guy. Be sure to leave a comment below on how you react to Top the Destroyer. And, just let me know if you're a Top the Destroyer fan or not. Be sure to tell all your friends about how great it would be to be a Destroyer God. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.